Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make use of beetroots to make this wonderful serum which is very good for your skin. The serum is very lightweight and made from easily available ingredients. Serums are skincare products that give specific active ingredients to your skin. They are clear, gel-based or liquid, and they tend to be less thick than the moisturizer. This is very easy to make and it will be very good for all skin types. To make a serum, you will be requiring few basic ingredients. First comes oil. I am using this homemade orange oil which has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help to protect your skin from infection. This also contains vitamin C. The next is vitamin E oil. This helps to cleanse your skin by removing the impurities and also improves the skin elasticity. The vitamin E in combination of vitamin C would protect your skin from UV rays. The next is avocado oil. This contains beta carotene and protein. This also has vitamin E and A and D. This will help to moisturize your skin and increase the collagen production. You can use the combination of all these oils or only one oil. The next would be a gel. Here I am using aloe vera gel, which is a good moisturizing agent. They have a natural depigmenting compound that can lighten your skin and work effectively or as a non-toxic ingredient. The next is a water based. I am using rose water. Rose water can improve the condition of your skin and reduce skin redness. It maintains the pH balance of your skin. They also have antibacterial and antifungal properties which can reduce infection, redness and soreness to your skin. Finally, the star ingredient of this serum is the beetroot powder, which contains vitamin and prevents skin pigmentation. It gives clear complexion. It is rich source of iron, phosphorus and protein which give you a healthy skin. This also contains vitamin C which can reduce pigmentation. So here I am using beetroot. This is easy to make. A beetroot powder you can make at home. If you want to know, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. So take 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. I am going to soak this in rose water. You can leave it for 2-3 hours. You can also soak it for overnight also. So as you soak this, the beetroot will release all its properties into the rose water and this would become a fine water to be used in the serum. So the next morning you can strain it and get the clear liquid of this beetroot water. So this would act as the water content into your serum. You can see that it is quite red and this would serve as a it gives a pinkish glow to your skin. So the method is just take 1 teaspoon first of this beetroot juice, add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 2 to 3 drops of orange oil or avocado oil or any oil which you are taking. I'm just using a few drops of orange oil, or you can also use combination of all the oils which I have mentioned. So here after adding all this, give it a good mix so that it forms into a gel-like consistency. Again you can add the extra remaining beetroot juice and make it into a smooth water-like consistency. Once you have mixed everything thoroughly, you will be making yourself a wonderful facial serum. The serum contains the goodness of beetroots, aloe vera gel and all the oils we have used. Here I am just taking a drop of this serum and rubbing into my hand, and you can see that it is easily absorbed without leaving any trace of greasiness or the stain of the beetroot. To use this serum on your face, first you need to cleanse your face with a mild cleanser. Then before applying moisturizer, take 2 to 3 drops of this serum and apply on your face, and then you can follow it up with moisturizer. To store this, use a spray bottle or even a dropper bottle. Here I am using a dropper bottle where I am going to transfer all the contents with the help of a funnel so that I don't have to spill it out. And you can store this at room temperature also for more than a month, or you can keep it in the refrigerator also. So use this every day or you can use it every night. Just take 2 to 3 drops and dab it on your face. So this is in a very liquid form and that's why it is easily applicable on your face. So just make it in small quantities and see how it works for you. Serums are usually oil and water based and the texture is very oil free, though you have used oil. It is lightweight and the serum can penetrate deep into your skin, leaving a non-greasy finish that allows the subsequent application of any treatment cream like moisturizer or sunscreen. That is the use of a serum which will be always in watery form so that it can directly be absorbed into your skin. So this is how the serum works. So if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.